When you hear there are many ways to kill a rat, yeah, there are many ways to cook Egusi soup. In today's video, I cooked this Egusi soup using the frying method. My friend, if you use this method, your in-laws will definitely come back to your house and they will love you forever. Okay, without further ado, sit tight, let's dive into the video and the process. Into the pot, I added my goat meat, of which you can use any protein of your choice. In this video, I used some goat meat and I placed it into the pot without adding some water. I went in with salt and seasoning, onions and dried pepper. I allowed it to steam for some time before going in with my water and my stockfish. I covered and allowed it to cook for some minutes again before proceeding to the next level. Here, I started by adding my red oil to the pot. The excess red oil I'll be using to make this soup, I added it to the pot, added some onions, and sometimes I do add some fresh tomatoes. But in today's video, I didn't bother adding tomatoes because I'm in the village and there was no fresh tomatoes around me. So I did that, kept aside. Then into my egusi, I added some seasoning cube, some salt and fresh pepper. Then with my blended Okpai, mix that all together. Proceed to adding it into the hot pot containing oil and onions. Allow this to fry for a few minutes and then we proceed. So after about 2 to 3 minutes of allowing this to fry on its own in the oil, I stirred and then started adding my stock meat and also the leftover water from my egusi plate. So guys, at this point you can add any fish or meat of your choice or any protein of your choice here, and then added all the ingredients I'll be using to make this soup, which are just my fresh pepper, my blended onions and some crayfish. What I did was that I divided the crayfish I'll be using into 2 parts. So I added the first half, of which I'll still add the remaining half much later. I mixed all this together, adding little water and allowed it to steam or rather cook properly for some time. And after 5 to 10 minutes, this is what we got, guys. At this point, the aroma in the kitchen was awesome. It was, man, everywhere I saw aromatizing. Guys, I went in with my dried fish, which is just smoked fish rather. I added that and then added my periwinkle, added my Uziza leaf. Guys, soup is ready. Get a plate, get a spoon. While coming around, please don't forget to come along with a cup and water. Let's enjoy together. Meanwhile, at this point, you feel free to check the taste. If needed to add more pepper, salt or seasoning or whatever, feel free to do so. I added a little more pepper and then went in with my remaining crayfish, added my Uziza, and guys, the soup came out very nice. At this point, if you're still watching this video to this point, don't forget to comment, like and share, and drop a comment for me. That would be highly appreciated as you support this small channel of mine. I do hope this video is helpful as the soup came out very nice. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. See ya. I served my in-law that came around this soup and he was wild. Even the kids, my husband and everyone around enjoyed this soup. Hopefully when you make yours, your people and you yourself will be proud of yourself, okay? This can be prepared with gari, fufu, semo or whatever meal of your choice. Just do make sure you eat healthy and enjoy yourself this season and always. Remember that I love you from this end, compliment of the season, and see you in my next video. Bye.